Rational number. The word rational comes from the term ratio. Ratio to rational. Rational numbers can be expressed as ratio, which means as fraction. Any number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is known as rational number. The collection or group of rational numbers is denoted by q. You know, every integer is a rational number because any integer can be written as a fraction. For example, 6. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. Another example, minus 39 can be written as minus 39 by 1. Rational numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and all positive and negative fractions, and it also includes terminating and non-terminating or recurring decimals. Do you know what is terminating decimal? The conversion of fraction to decimals end with a remainder of 0. Terminate means to end. A terminating decimal has a definitive end. It must have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. Let me give you an example. Then you can understand it clearly. For example, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a fraction. We will convert it into decimal form. We will do simple division. So 1 divided by 4. We will do it like this. 1 here and 4 is here. We cannot divide it like this. So we have to take a 0 and put a decimal point here. Now to divide 1 by 4, we have to take a 0 here also. Now we will be able to solve this. 4 into 2 is 8. Remaining is 2. Again put 0 here. Now 4 into 5 is 20. Now we get the remainder as 0. And here quotient is 0.25. We can stop here because we got the remainder as 0. We cannot divide further. So the answer is 0.25. It stops here. This is terminating decimal. Another example, 3 by 8. We can do simple division here also. After doing this division, we get a remainder 0. So our answer 0.375. It ends here. So terminating decimal is a decimal that stops or terminates. Now let us study about non-terminating or recurring decimal. When a number is divided by the other, the remainder never becomes 0. Instead, the numbers of the quotient start repeating themselves. A decimal number that continues infinitely or without ending is called as non-terminating or recurring decimal, which means they go on forever. They do not come to end, or if they do, it is after a long interval. Recurring numbers. Recurring numbers are those numbers which keep on repeating the same value after decimal point. These numbers are also known as repeating decimals. Example 1, 2 by 3. Here also we can do simple division. After doing this division, we cannot get remainder as 0. The numbers are getting repeated in the quotient and never stops. It goes on and on forever. It is not terminating. The answer is 0.6666. Now, instead of writing 6 so many times, you can use the bar symbol above the repeating numbers like this. 0.6 bar. Another example, 4 by 11. Here also we can do simple division. After doing this division, we cannot get remainder as 0. The numbers are getting repeated in the quotient and never stops. Here we get the quotient 0.363636. Here we can put bar on two numbers like this, 0.36 bar, because these two numbers are repeating. All these type of decimal numbers are rational numbers. I will show you in the number line. This is the number line showing all integers, fractions, decimals. All these are rational numbers. I hope it is clear to you. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thanks for watching.